In this video, we will discuss about the states of matter. When we classify the matter on the basis of physical states, they are of three types: solid, liquid, and gas. First of all, we will discuss that what do we mean by the physical state. Physical state means the form of the matter in which it exists in the universe, and the matter is found in three states, which is solid, liquid, and gas. Solids is that physical state of matter in which volume and shape of the matter is fixed. Example: sugar, common salt, iron, ice, wood, etc. Liquids is that form or physical state of the matter in which volume is fixed but shape is not fixed. Example: water, petrol, kerosene, milk, etc. And gas is that physical state of the matter in which neither volume nor shape is fixed. For example: oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. These are three states of matter. Now we will discuss their properties. When we talk about the properties of solid, they have fixed shape and volume. They are rigid and have fixed boundaries. They have negligible compressibility. Solids have high densities. They have strong forces of attraction between the particles of solids. When solids are kept in containers, some unoccupied space is left. Thus, solid do not fill container completely. Solid do not require container to keep them. Solids do not flow because their molecules are tightly fixed. The molecules are very strongly fixed, and their kinetic energy is very small, and they have very strong forces of attraction. The particles are closely packed in solids, therefore the intermolecular space is less. Solids have tendency to maintain their shape when subjected outside force. It means when we apply force from external, we can see very little change in its shape. So solids can be broken under force, but it is difficult to change their shape, so solids are rigid. These are the properties of solid. Now when we talk about the liquids, they have fixed volume but not fixed shape. That is why they flow from higher level to low level, and that is why they do not fill container completely. They are accumulated at the bottom of the container. Liquids flow and can change their shape. That is why when they are kept in different types of the container, they take the shape of these containers. They have low compressibility but more than solids. Liquids have lower densities as compared to solids, and when we compare the compressive density, solids have maximum, liquids have intermediate, and gases have least density. They have weaker force of attraction between their molecules. Liquids have lower density as compared to solids. When we compare the densities, solids have greater density than that of liquid, and liquid has intermediate and gases have least. And gases have weaker force of the molecules of liquid have weaker force of attraction between the particles as compared to solids, and they have greater than that of gases. Liquids can flow because the kinetic energy of particles of liquid is more than that of solids, and the force of attraction is less than that of the particles of the solids. The particles of liquids are not closely packed in liquid. Therefore, the interparticle space in them is more than those of solids, and it is greater than that. It is less than that of the gases. So these are the properties of the gases. When we talk about the diffusion, solids, liquids and gases can diffuse into the liquids. It means solids, liquids and gases can be mixed into liquids. For example, carbon dioxide, oxygen and many gases are dissolved in the air, we can see, and many solids can be dissolved into the liquid. For example, in water we can dissolve sugar, salt, etc. This is the example of diffusion of solids into liquid. Now, two liquids which are miscible can be diffused into each other. For example, alcohol and water can be mixed. So these are some example of diffusion of a liquid into another liquid. So these solid liquid gases can be diffused into the liquid. Now here if we want to compare the rate of diffusion of liquids having different densities, then we can perform an activity. We take water and into containers or two beakers, same volume of water, and we drop few drops of ink in one container and one beaker, and few drops of honey in another. When we wash for some time, we see that the diffusion of the ink takes place at greater rate, and the diffusion of honey takes place with slower rate, and that is why ink is mixed. Diffusion of ink occurs very fast, and it is mixed into the water very easily in less time, while the honey takes more time to do this. And we can conclude this that the ink has less density while the honey has greater density. That is why the ink diffuses faster than that of honey, and honey takes more time to diffuse than that of the ink. This is how we can show that at the diffusion, the density plays important role. Now, when we talk about the properties of gases are those physical state of gas is that physical state of matter in which neither shape nor volume is fixed. So what are the properties? Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed volume because the particle of gases move in all direction. That is why the gases fill the container completely, because their particles move in all direction. Gases do not have definite boundaries, and Gases have less densities as compared to solids and liquids. There are weaker force of attraction among the particles of the gases than solids and liquids, and kinetic energy of particles of gases is very much than that of liquids and solids. The interparticle space in gases is more than those of liquids or solids. It is the reason that gases can be compressed. It means the molecular space between the among the particles of gases is greatest. That is why these can be compressed easily. The rate of diffusion is fastest because they have greatest kinetic energy. The particles of gases have greatest kinetic energy. That is why among the solid, liquid and gases have fastest rate of diffusion. Particles of gases are always in constant random motion. Particles of gases move in all directions. Gases have high compressibility because they have greatest interparticular spaces. That is why they can be compressed very easily. That is why liquefied petroleum gas, when petroleum gas is liquefied, it can be filled into the container or cylinders. Likewise here the same process takes place natural gas. When natural gas is compressed, it is liquefied and it can be filled into the cylinders. And here when petroleum gas is compressed, it is converted into the liquid and it can be filled into the cylinder. The rate of diffusion is fastest in the gases, and that is why when we when we spray any scent or any aroma in one part of the room, suddenly we can feel the aroma in next part of the room. It is due to the fastest diffusion rate of gases, right? So the smell of incense stick can be felt from a distance when it is lighted, right? So this is due to the fastest rate of diffusion among the solid liquid gases, right? The particles of the incense stick are released, which have the aroma into the air, and they diffuse into the room air very quickly, that is, and spread through the air and reach every nook and corner of the room. That is why this can be filled from any corner of the room and even outside of the room. This is due to the fastest rate of diffusion of gaseous particles, right? It means the particles of gases have greatest rate of diffusion than that of among the solid, liquid and gases.